Painting is one way to freshen up your walls, but what if you want to take it up a notch, maybe? Bill Hurrelbrink has a DIY improvement project to give those plain walls a major upgrade in today's Better Homes.
My wife threw down the gauntlet, saying our master bedroom is too dark. We're either going to lighten the walls with wainscoting or she's buying new bedroom furniture. You can bet later that day I was on the phone looking at plans online and pricing chair rail soon after. This project can be done anywhere in the home. Other locations we saw that were popular were the dining room or office. You also don't have to do all 4 walls. 1 or 2 highlight walls can be just enough for your space. We started by measuring the room to see how much material we'd need. We decided to do chair rail on top with rectangles made from base cap below. Because my wife is smarter, she did the math to figure out how much we'd need and taped the walls to give us a general guideline. All of the rectangles are the same height, 24 inches tall, but varied in width due to the different lengths of the walls. We measured and cut base cap in the driveway, then used wood glue and a nail gun to fasten them together. All the cuts you'll need for this project are 45-degree angles, both for the rectangles and where the chair rail meets in the wall corners. So a miter saw is a good tool to borrow if you don't have one. After making the rectangles and cutting the right length of chair rail, we secured them to the studs using the nail gun and, most importantly, a level. Then came the most laborious part of the entire job, caulking and sanding. My advice is to practice before applying caulk so you don't have as much to sand down. We'll just say I laid it down a bit thick. After everything is smoothed down, it's time for paint. We did a white bottom with the old gray on top. And after cleaning up, here's how it turned out. In the end, we spent a little over $300 on paint, base cap, and trim, and 16 to 18 hours of labor spread out over about 10 days. Now, to me, that's way better than having to spend a lot of time shopping, potentially going over budget, and waiting for the delivery of a new bedroom set. For Better Homes, I'm Bill Hurrelbrink, KCTV5 News.